Alright, in this problem it says find the vertex of this function f of x equals x squared plus 4x plus 3. It's a quadratic because it has the power of 2. The equation for the vertex is x equals negative b over 2a. In this problem, my a value is 1. So if you need to, you can write standard form right below it or above it. And that way you can kind of identify those. So there is your a value. Your b value, 4. And your c value, 3. We're just going to go ahead and substitute that in then. You see that negative sign? Don't forget it. Our b value is, and then 2 times your a value, 1. 2 times 1 is? And 4 divided by 2? And the opposite of that is negative 2. X equals negative 2. Well, what do I do with that negative 2? Well, first off, let's note, this is your axis of symmetry, or your line of symmetry. What is that going to look like on a graph? Let's give yourself a visual. Don't yell at me, no ruler. Negative 2 here. So if this is the origin, this is where your graph, your parabola is going to fold in half. Okay? So how do we find the vertex? Well, let's take this value and substitute it back into our function. F of x equals x squared plus 4 times x plus 3. And we basically said now every x value is now going to be what? Negative 2. So I have f of negative 2. You're putting that into your function. I have negative 2 squared plus 4 times negative 2 plus 3. Negative 2 squared is 4. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Remember, that does not say 4 minus 2 because there's multiplication here. Plus 3. Class 4 minus 8. And negative 4 plus 3. Negative 1. Here we have the vertex. Let's write that, vertex. So basically what we're doing is we're graphing the quadratic by hand. Notice our a value is 1. That tells you that the graph opens up. In standard form, your c value is your y-intercept. Let's put some puzzle pieces in there. I know it's going to cross the y-axis at 3. I know that this point is negative 2, negative 1. Because it's going to be graphing up, this is a minimum, so this is my vertex. If you're labeling it, that's the order pair negative 2, negative 1. And what it is, it's actually symmetrical. So notice to go from the vertex to the y-intercept, it's right 2, up 4. So you can go left 2, up 4. And also to show you a visual of what the axis or line of symmetry does. You can see that it's folding the parabola in half. So that's how you find the vertex in standard form.